I need to hear more time to chat. And I'm going to do an ornament. I have a plastic ornament that I got at Michael's. I'm going to wrap it with some, I think it's a macrame thread. And I'm going to paint the top, and we're going to do it like a rustic look. So I'm going to do that first because it'll take time to dry while I do this part. I'm going to do 2 coats of the slate chalk paint, and I really let that dry in between coats. Once it's dry, I am going to put some Mod Podge over top of that. That's what's going to make the cinnamon stick to the ferrule, because it's kind of like a glue. And I just use my fingers for this. You can actually pour the cinnamon on top of it. And I'm going to reapply some Mod Podge over top of that. And you guys, I love the smell of it. When you put the Mod Podge on top, it kind of makes it nice and gooey. And the more you add, the thicker it'll be. Now I'm using the hot glue gun to apply my rope, and so you just put some here and there on the spots and make sure that it's nice and even and tight when you're doing this step. But I did notice that when I was getting closer to the bottom, the glue did get hotter and it was melting some of the ball. So use some tacky glue, brush it on, do a little section at a time, and keep going with the glue. That I did do another one and it was perfect. Now when you get to the bottom, make sure you push down on the rope and keep going around. I did cut the tip of it when I get to the end, and I kind of tuck it into the hole so that it doesn't, the thread doesn't hang out. I'm loving this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now, if you want more ideas and inspiration, go ahead and comment #VIP for my free private group, and I'll send you a link. I'm loving this. Now, I have some fabric. I'm going to tear a strip. That's what I'm going to use to hang my ornament. So it adds that touch of an old look. And I just put it to the length that you want. Now make sure you follow for more ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.